Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make margarita juice. Start by juicing fresh limes and measuring equal parts freshly squeezed lime juice and filtered water, then taste. Add orange liqueur and simple syrup gradually while stirring until balance is pleasing. Chill the juice in the fridge and taste again before serving over ice or using in cocktails. I'll guide you through ratios, substitutions, and quick tips for consistently bright Measure and prepare ingredients before you start to make the process smooth and relaxed. Squeeze enough fresh limes to yield clear, bright juice without bitter pith. Strain to remove seeds and pulp. Prepare simple syrup by dissolving sugar in equal parts hot water, then cool. Combine measured lime juice, water, orange liqueur, and syrup, tasting as you go. I'll explain ratios and easy swaps so you can adapt to what you have at home. Begin with simple ratio guidelines and tweak to your liking for consistent results. Use 2 parts freshly squeezed lime juice, 1 part orange liqueur, and 1 part water as a starting point. Add simple syrup at roughly 1/4 of the citrus volume and taste. If the juice will become a cocktail base, reduce water to keep spirit forward. I'll share quick fixes for overly sweet, flat, or too tart batches, so you always salvage your mix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.